All right, everybody. Now we are going to navigate to get your business profile set up. That is going to get your account situated where we can go ahead and get your A2P form submitted. So what I'll need you to do is navigate down here to the settings tab. You'll see the little gearbox right here. Click on the settings tab, and the very first section that will open up is your business info page. Okay. Now, there's a couple things to note. We have what's called a friendly business name, which could be your name. It could be your business name. That is the name that is going to appear here at the top. Okay. And we have what's called our legal business name. Okay. The legal business name is a name that is registered with the IRS. So if you have an LLC or if you have a corporation, you are going to add right here that corporation name. So for instance, Jonathan Farrell Inc. will be right here underneath my legal business name. If you do not have an LLC or you do not have a corporation, your legal business name will be your own name. Okay. We're going to navigate right here and enter the business info. So the business email and the business phone number. Okay. Go ahead and leave branded domain blank. Do not add a branded domain. That will mess up a bunch of stuff in the future. I promise you. However, you are going to add your business website right here. Okay. So your business website, jonathanfarrell.com, will be added right here. Okay. And you are going to select your business niche. So if you're in health insurance, you would type in insurance agency, and a number of different things will pop up. If you're in real estate, you'll type in real estate, and a bunch of different things will pop up. So again, make sure that you select and complete this section in its entirety. Okay. On the right hand side, right here, we have business physical address. This is going to be your physical address. So please make sure that this is completed. And you will also notice that the time zone is specifically selected. Now, the time zone is going to be selected from your business address. However, if you have a business address that's on the West Coast and you reside on the East Coast, you can go ahead and change this to the time zone that you are currently located in. Okay. And as with anything, please make sure that you click update information and update right here. Okay. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to get to this section that says business information. Okay. And we need to select the specific business type. Now, if you are a corporation, you will select corporation right here. If you are a sole proprietor, meaning that you do not have a corporation, you will select this section right here. If you have an LLC, you will select this section as well. Okay. You will also select your specific business industry. So I'm going to be in real estate right now. So I'm going to select the specific business industry. If you're in mortgage, you'll select real estate. Okay. Your business registration type. Now, if you have an EIN number right here, you're going to select EIN number, and EIN number is what gets sent over to you from the IRS. Okay. We do need to have this information in order to get your A2P approval completed. So we need for you to select EIN number. If you are not incorporated and you are a sole proprietor, you're going to scroll down and select other right here. Okay. So if you have an EIN number, select this one right here. If you do not have an EIN number, you will select other. Okay. I'm sorry. You will leave this blank or select USA. Now, on the business registration number. Okay. So business registration number, if you are a sole proprietor, you will select my business is not registered. All you have to do is check this box and you are good. Okay. If you have the EIN number, you will enter the EIN number right here. Okay. Also, your business regions and operations, you'll select USA and Canada, and you will select update information right here. Okay. Please scroll up now to the authorized representative section. You will have this completed in its entirety. And please, for the phone number, make sure that this is your mobile number, not an office number that can't receive text messages. Okay. We need to have this fully completed. Okay. And one other thing, guys, if you are a sole proprietor, as much as we like to say we are the CEO of our own business, you are not. Okay, you are other. So please make sure that you select other right here. If you are actually the CEO of your company, you will select CEO. However, if you are sole prop, you are other, you are not a CEO. Okay, and please make sure that you add your actual cell phone number that can receive text messages and click on the update information section. Okay. Next, go ahead and keep scrolling down for me. You will see that there is this section right here that says general. Okay. What my recommendation is I select these three right here. Validate phone number when SMS is sent, mark emails as invalid due to hard bounce, and bot detection prevention statistics. Okay, please make sure that these three are selected. And if you would like email verification turned on, please send us an email. We will turn on email verification. You will not be able to check this inside of your system. Okay. Now, as you will see right here, that this says a number of different things. So make SMS compliant by adding the opt-out message. Please make sure that this one is checked, and please make sure that this is selected. Okay. You will also notice that this says make SMS compliant by adding a sender information. So you will see right here that this says, thanks, QCell demo account. My account is called QCell demo account. Okay. If you'd like to customize this, you can click on the customize feature right here and change your sender ID to match your name. Okay. And that will save this to say thanks, Jonathan Farrell. Okay. And please make sure that you have make email compliant by adding an unsubscribe link to your email. Okay. Moving on, scrolling down, there is a section that says call and voicemail settings. Please make sure that you select 20 seconds and you will upload an MP3 recording for your voicemail. Now, I'll show you where to go in a future video to get your voicemail set up. In the meantime, just click on the save call settings and we're going to keep scrolling down. Okay. You are going to go to this section right here that says missed call text back section. Now, I am the firmest believer in the missed call text back. Okay. And the reason being for that is this little text message that was sent to a client ended up resulting in a $12,000 commission. Okay. So you can customize this. You will see that mine says, hi there. This is Jonathan with Level Up Mortgage Lending. I am currently in a meeting, but we'll call you back ASAP. How can I help? Okay. All of this can be customized to match your business. Okay. I would highly recommend customizing this message and personalizing it just like this one. If yours just says, hi, this is location name, I would change it. Okay. If you'll notice right here, all of this is completely customized. Please make sure that you customize this and then click on the save missed call text back and get that customized, because I will let you know it resulted in a $12,000 commission for me. Okay. All right, guys. So that's our business profile setup. We are going to be moving on to the personal profile setup shortly. So please bear with me and let's navigate to the next video. Thank you.